I'll do this one now. Then I can't really film it. Oh, I've got this for you.
That's an Escort, that is. Sierra Cosworth.
I don't know which is worse.
So what's the polling, guys? It's a Sierra Cosworth. It's really, really nice. Over here we've got a Chevy, which has been, I think it's been supercharged. But it's really, really nice. So I'll show you guys the engine. Where's back in a second? I've already got Triumph, Mercedes, Mercedes and Beamer. If anyone's interested in Fiat, sorry, not Fiat. Here you got Hot Rod. Looks really nice as well. Nice other pod as well. Got green. Second over here you've got a Ford. That's really nice. And you've got a Land Rover. And then I think this is, what's what car this is? You guys don't know. You've got Lexus. And you've got an MG. Another MG. Audi. And you got a Sylvia. MG. Over you've got the Vauxhall, classic Mini as well. This is one, what's what colour this is. It's very nice. You got this. I think it's a Toyota. MG. Oh, classic Mini. A Ford, which is very nice as well. You got Mini as well. And then you got Dodge just there. MX7, I think MX5, not tyre shot. MG, and some other cars. So that's all cars like that. Cars like here so far. Back in a second. So see you guys in the next video, which will be tomorrow. So bye for now.